Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a wooden footbridge with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x12 plate. On the right hand side, a 1x2 flat tile. Then a set of 1x1 modified plates with holder. Place these right here. Now we're going to use 8 1x2 jumper plates. Place these on 2x12 plate. Now these are going to be used to offset our planks for our footbridge. So we'll just place all these in here. Then 2 more 1x1 modified plates with holder. And at the far left, a 1x2 flat tile to finish this up. Now, back here, a 1x2 flat tile. Then I'm going to take a 1x3 flat tile that wants to run away, place that right there. See, that's why I use the jumper plates, is to offset everything by half a stud. We're just going to proceed on with 8 of these. And yes, they do get a little wiggly, but that just adds to the characteristic of the bridge. So we'll place this one here and a 1x2 flat tile in this area. Now take a 4x4 plate. I'm going to place some of these 1x2x2 corner angular wedge flat tiles right here. We're going to make 2 of these. And I want to slip these in right here. Now this is going to give us a little bit of a step to get up onto the bridge. Now for our safety rails, we're going to take a 2 stud long cross axle extender. I'm going to place a 2 stud long cross axle in one end. Now I want to make 3 of these, and I want to place these end to end. And on this side, a 2 stud long cross axle. Let's take a number 3 cross axle extender. I'm going to place a friction pin with stud right in here. Then I'm going to grab a 3 stud long 3.2 stick, place it in as shown. Now I want to make 2 of these, and I want to place these right on the ends. We're going to make 2 of these safety rails. Now let's take our safety rails and place these in the holders. Just slide that in place, and I'm just going to press that down. We're going to have the sticks resting on the studs below to complete the footbridge.